Hello, it's Natasha. Welcome back to the channel. This week on HipKit Club, we have this wonderful holiday sketch by Terry. And I wanted to create a layout with it, but unfortunately, due to some problems with the post, I'm afraid my November kit has been lost. And my December kit is still on the way, so I don't really have any holiday supplies to create a holiday layout for you. So I suggest you take a break from holiday crafting and holiday layouts and we create something non-holiday related. So I have these three photos, which they were taken in August, this August in Cyprus, where we were with the family. And when I looked at these photos, I immediately thought October kits, because they are full of colors, they're bright, and there are some floral images. So I'm also going to use some distress oxide inks, which were part of HipKit Club previous kits, or you can obviously use watercolors or other media that you have on hand. So let's see what we can do with this. Let's jump right in. So I have a piece of white cardstock. I haven't prepared it with gesso or anything, so it's just white cardstock, and I smoosh picked raspberry distress oxide against it and spritz it with water. And I use We Are Memory Keepers airbrush tool to blow the ink around. You don't have to use this tool. You can use a straw or maybe a small squeeze bulb. I really like the look that it gives, blowing gives, you know, really fun and whimsical, well, really fun splatters, kind of splatters that you can't really achieve just with your brush. So once my pink color is dry, I smoosh a squeezed lemonade ink, and I'm quite generous with the ink because I want my colors to be really bright, and so what I like about distress oxide inks, that once they're dry, they don't really blend and they're not reactivated with water. That's why I can have, although I add water to each color, I'm able to get three distinct areas of color. And for the third color, I decided to go for peacock feathers because I thought it would go better with the cardstock I'll use later to frame my page. And now I have more splatters on the right side, and so I try to even this out by adding some ink to the left and blowing it again. And basically my color work is done. So it's probably the most mixed media that I can get. I really like how this looks. As I'm going to add golden title, I decided to add some golden splatters. So I think it's Heidi Swap gold spray, which I've had for ages. So, and again, I'm adding splatters in the area of color. So I'm sort of keeping everything in this part of the page. So again, once it dries, so now you see that I have already adhered it to the cardstock, which was part of October cardstock kit. And now I'm just arranging my photos, and I'm arranging the flowers, which were included in the embellishment kit, October embellishments kit. Gorgeous, really gorgeous flowers by Paige Evans, her whimsical collection. So now I adhered the flowers, I adhered some onto foam squares, and I add the title. And that's it. My page is ready. I hope you like it, and I hope you had fun creating something non-holiday related. Thanks again for your time. Subscribe to the channel for more inspiration, and see you again soon. Bye.